Namaste. I'm Kamala Devi. I'm a sacred sex author and coach, and these video blogs are my small contribution to support the tantra temples in Phoenix and Arizona. So today I want to first I want to update you on the case. Then I'd like to look at a personal account or more in-depth insider's view of how this affects those who are directly involved. And then I want to take a broader perspective and look at how it affects everyone in the Tantra community. More specifically, you may have noticed that there appear to be two camps. There are people who feel that this case is an opportunity to help legalize prostitution. And there's others who feel that it's a civil liberties or religious freedoms case. So I want to speak into both those arguments and ultimately see what serves. So let's start with an update. It has been 3 weeks since there was this massive raid on the temples by the SWAT team, which resulted in about 20 arrests. And as far as I know right now, there are 2 people still in jail. Mother Priestess Tracy Elise, whose bail is still set at $1 million. And then there's her friend Tamara, whose bail is set at $200,000. And she's an elder who has had back surgery and is in a lot of pain, but is only allowed over-the-counter drugs, and she has no means to get out right now. So the good news is that let's see, on the 12th, there's a hearing, which the lawyers have filed a motion to reduce the bail, and so that hearing's going to happen on the 12th. And there is also another hearing that's going to happen where they'll get everyone who was indicated in the case will all come together in Phoenix, and that is set on a very special date. So I want to tell you that date later so you can put it on your calendar and light some candles. But it's a really interesting case for everybody. Like, of course, the worst would be to still be cut off from your community in jail. But those people who have been let out on bail, it's not easy. Due to some spooky or strange legal procedure, everybody was indicted twice. So they were actually issued 2 warrants, and in some cases the judge just threw out the first warrant, and in other cases people who put the collateral down and got the bail to get out were actually detained immediately, put back in handcuffs, and detained until they came up with more bail. Some of the people who are out have been advised to go turn themselves back in to avoid a second arrest. I mean, it's a really strange situation, and we don't know if it's a clerical error or really what's going on. A lot of people have been issued public defenders who are really hard to get a hold of, so they don't have clear legal counsel. And the other hard part is every single person indicted in this case has to have separate legal representation. It's considered a conflict of interest if one lawyer is working